Hello, today I'm going to show you ZeroID, an open source identity system for AI agents. The problem it solves is simple, like when multiple AI agents are working together, how do you know which agents did what, on whose permission, and how do you revoke access identity? So we can see it in action here. So first we have to start the server, and basically, ZeroID is a pure backend API server, no frontend, no UI. We can run it using Docker in one command. Using this command, that is the Docker compose up -d, and as you can see here, I have started the server. You can see here also the server is started, and we can check it through our uh, git bash. Like we have to enter this command, curl command, and after entering it you can see here the status is healthy, means the server is running. Then the first step is to register an agent. So we will register agent A, and you can see here I have registered an agent. So every AI agent needs an identity before it can do anything. So we register agent A, an orchestrator agent that will later control a sub agent. Okay, so look at this response that we got from this API. Here we got an WIMSC URL, which is a permanent passport, like permanent passport. It's like a global unique identity, and we also got an API key, as you can see here. And now the agent is now registered and is active. So the second step is we have to create a OAuth client for agent A. Okay, so here, to get a token, agent A needs an OAuth client. Means think of this as a registering the login method for the agent. Like we create a confidential client which give us a client secret for machine to machine authentication. And this is important here, the client ID here that we are providing, it needs to match, like exactly match the agent's external ID that we above created. Okay, and here we get back a client secret. Okay, and we have to store it. Now as you know, like agent A has both, that is identity and a way to authenticate. Now what we have to do, get a token for agent A. So we are gonna call this API to get the access token, and this is a short life JWT token valid for 1 hour. Okay, and this token is what agent A shows to any other system to prove who it is. Okay, so this is the access token, as you can see here. Later on, um, you can see the read and write access here also. And also we can later on introspect, means inspect this agent token, means like if it is a valid or invalid token. So you can see here we have called this introspect API, and we got active as a true, means this is a valid token. So we got an valid token for the agent A. Okay, now the core feature of ZeroID is scope attention, means like agent A is a orchestrator, it needs a sub agent to do a specific read only task. Like we register, so for that we have to register agent B as a tool agent. Okay, so we have registered now agent A. Now we are gonna register agent B, so that that will do a task. Okay, and this agent only gonna do a read only task. Okay, as you can see here, we have registered this agent, and the access for it is we got the WIMSC URL plus status is equal to active. We also got the API key. Okay, and okay, we got this much. Then now as you can see, we have registered agent B. Now we have to get a token for agent B, but only with a tool read scope. Means agent A has both access, that is read and write, but agent B get only read, so it can never get more permission than who what's granted to it. Okay, so we have calling this API, and we are just gonna get our read permission. Okay, as you can see here, the scope is equal to tools read, and we got the read permission. Later on, the main feature, like the most powerful feature of this zero id, is real time revocation. Means like for example, imagine agent B is compromised or its task is done. So what we are gonna do, we are gonna call an API which gonna kill his access instantly. Means no waiting for the token to expire. So this is the revoke API, and as you can see here, revoked is equal to true, means the uh, access is taken back from the agent B. And you can check it using introspect API, means we can inspect the token, and as you can see here, active is equal to false. So in short, zero id gives every AI agents a cryptographic identity, which controls exactly what each agent can do through scopes, and tracks the full delegation chains, and lets you revoke access in real time. Okay, so this is the demo of this zero id, and thank you.